We have some pizza dough right here, and we're gonna put a little pizza sauce on there all the way around. This is a greased baking sheet. If you got a pizza stone, knock yourself out and use it. But we are gonna make a pizza wreath, okay? So we got all the beautiful colors of Christmas, and I figured what a better way to use a pizza than make it a holiday wreath. Little something different, right? By the time the holidays come around, you're ready for something different besides turkey or ham. So we got all the beautiful colors here. We got some green basil, some white mozzarella little pearls, right? And then some beautiful little cherry tomato. And then we're gonna sneak a little meat in there, a little pepperoni. And we're just gonna build little layers, right? So it looks like a wreath when we're done. We're gonna start with a little section of the mozz. Then do those tomatoes. And we're just gonna do those all the way through. And we're gonna add the basil kind of on top. And we'll sneak these pepperonis in, right? Just kind of lay them up a little bit right here so they kind of stick up. Go down with the tomatoes. Tomatoes on this side. So you get the gist of it. Let me finish this up. Put our basil in there. Doesn't that just look gorgeous, guys? Beautiful colors. It's one heck of a wreath. But you don't have to hang this on your door. Get that last one in there. Tell me that isn't a thing of beauty, folks. Woo, looking good. Y'all, we're gonna get our beautiful wreath in the oven. All right, guys, this is so pretty. We got our oven set up to 450. We're gonna go about 5-10 minutes in there. We're gonna keep an eye on it. It's very hot in there, so it should cook relatively quickly. I got pretty thin dough right here. So let's go, I'll see you in a second. Now you know that looks pretty. Let's cut a little slice out so we can get a bite. All right. Listen, y'all, we got simple, fresh ingredients here. It's a fun little way to do a pizza, and your kids will love it. They can make their wreath any way they want. But guys, you gotta get a bite. I mean, what else is there to say? It's a pizza, it's delicious, they're gonna love it. I mean, you know it's good. Happy holidays.